What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status, and we are back. And I got a special announcement for you guys. I know you guys all been asking. I am back after a long month. Where have I been for the whole month? Well, it's because I finally have put together a Maschine course for you guys, focusing on the software. Trust me, you guys do not want to miss this course. Go get it right now. Matter of fact, the first 100 people to pick up this course, I'm going to give it to you for the special price of $99. And trust me, you do not want to miss these tips, tricks, and techniques inside this course. It's going to put you ahead of the competition. Guys, go pick up this course. It's completely quality. I took a month off to focus on getting this course done for you guys. So definitely want to go pick it up right now. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put the QR code on the screen, so definitely go pick it up right now. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and make sure you guys go pick up this course. If anything else, we're going to be covering automation, a macro, the sampler, the audio module, tips, tricks, and techniques. We are focusing on the Maschine software. I'm using the Maschine Studio, so each controller is going to be different. Also, there's going to be some links to some of my favorite native instrument products and my recommendations of what you should get if you guys do music like I do. Again, the QR code is going to be right here on the screen. You do not want to miss this course. Definitely go pick it up. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and we will see you there. If you want to put yourself ahead of the competition, you definitely want to go out and get this course right now. Scan the code right here on the screen. We out. Peace.